He was farting.
I'll do it.
Could you pause the video?
Did you get this?
Oh my
We got it. Shh, the camera's gotta hear it.
Well, that was successful. He's been doing.
He's been doing this for 20 minutes. No, more like 10, but
It's been a while. He just. Artie's got constipation, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Blink.
Go get Mom. Tell him he's crapping. Look at his lip.
Dixie, come here. Nom nom. You're part of the dog.
Run! Look at his shadow.
Animal Freedom Rights, 2012. Dixie, come here.
Shadow. Boom, boom, boom.
Come here.
Stop. Gotta get his farting noises.
And
Looking at the dog.
stop! No, not cut. Oh, hi, RJ.
Ah! Ah!
Where's our pencil? I have
He's
no idea.
done pooping himself.
Why do you think I'm
Let's
doing
watch it. You want me to record it? Because you're really in my space. I think the popcorn's done.
Is the popcorn done?
No, it's
RJ! Okay, it's over, Grace. We can post it on Facebook
No
or something.
popcorn, Aaron.
Okay, I guess not.
Grace, make me popcorn.
I will end the video.
Fudge.
People aren't going to not participating. I think it's just crapping. You know how sometimes he smiles at you and he's like, I'm making a big one. All right.